So I have the Samsung Galaxy A54, and if you want to be able to read WhatsApp notifications from the lock screen, then here are a couple of things you need to do. One is go to settings and go to notifications, and then go to app notifications and find WhatsApp. Okay, so we're going to specifically customize WhatsApp notifications so you can be able to read them from the lock screen. Okay, so go to WhatsApp, and then the first thing you have to do is enable WhatsApp notifications. So make sure that is turned on. Secondly, under notification types, make sure you have allowed notifications on the lock screen. So as you can see, this is now, it says lock screen allowed, and that means I'll be getting my WhatsApp notifications on the lock screen. Thirdly, make sure lock screen notifications are set to show content. Okay, so if it's like this, if it says hide content, you'll get the notification on the lock screen, but you'll not be able to read it. So if you want to be able to read it, you need to choose show content. And once you do all that, from now on the lock screen, as soon as you get a WhatsApp notification, you can tap on it and read it right from the lock screen. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.